Most business owners will get left behind, not because AI isn't powerful, but because they don't know where to start. What is good? My name is Otto Petersen, and after 15 plus years of digital marketing and 1,000 plus hours coaching AI agencies, I'm here to make sure that's not you. This channel shows you how to use AI to replace tedious work, follow up like a machine, and turn leads into revenue without the tech overwhelm. In this video, I want to share with you a discussion I had with a recruitment company over in the Philippines. So let me give you some context. This recruitment company in the Philippines, they had the same problems as the recruitment company in Melbourne. Obviously, there was a bit of a language barrier, but by sharing my screen with our software, I was quickly able to demonstrate how our system can solve their recruitment problem, which was screening a whole bunch of resumes, which takes them so many hours. The recruitment company in Melbourne, they were taking about 2 weeks to screen 50 to 60 applications. Now, I didn't have the data with this recruitment company in the Philippines. However, they had the same problem. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video was to demonstrate to business owners what problems or bottlenecks do you have inside of your business that is taking up not just hours of your time, but is sucking up all the resources as well. What I realized with recruitment companies overall is their systems are outdated. A lot of them have legacy systems that simply cannot compete with AI and automation. And it's 2025, the moment that I'm recording this video. The meeting with the recruitment company in Philippines was done via Google Meet. I was right here, and they were in a boardroom. Actually, I was wearing exactly the same clothes. Don't worry, this is another t-shirt. I have many of these. Don't worry about that. I did have a shower. But my point I want to make to you is in another country, the same industry, they had exactly the same problems as this recruitment company in Melbourne did. I want to highlight, if you run a business and you've been operating for over a decade, my question to you is this: does your current processes and system, software, whatever they may be, will it be able to help you scale your business for the next 5 to 10 years? Because chances are the systems and processes that you're using are outdated, especially in comparison to AI and automation. So this meeting that I had with the recruitment company in the Philippines went very, very well. They were quite intrigued as I was sharing my screen, showed them exactly what our software can do, but more importantly, how it actually solves their pain and problem that they currently have, which was screening X amount of resumes that's taking up a lot of their time and resources. And it's not very productive for a company if they're spending a lot of time doing tedious tasks which don't really give them a high ROI. Now, you're probably wondering, what does the system look like? I'll put some screenshots right here. So the problem that our software solves is that it is able to screen a large amount of resumes, applications, and process them in a short period of time. To give you a real live example, a case study of an actual client, the problem that this recruitment agency had was it took them 2 weeks to process 50 to 60 applications. 2 weeks. After a week of doing an AI audit over the entire company, from their SOPs to their processes, the day-to-day functions, what we were able to build was a robust system that could now process 50 to 60 applications not in 2 weeks, but within minutes. And if you want to learn more about that particular system, I'll leave a link up here somewhere on this video where you can go and check that out. Now, getting back to our discovery call with this recruitment company in Philippines, their problem was exactly the same as a recruitment company in Melbourne. They're screening so many resumes, all these different job positions, and they just simply don't have enough time in the day to go through all of them, which means they lose a lot of applicants because they go down to the next recruitment agency and sign up there, which is fair enough. So if you're a business owner watching this, you don't have to be in recruitment as such. If you're a business owner, my question to you would be, are your current systems preventing you from taking your business to the next level? Because chances are, if you had AI and automation fixing the leaks or the bottlenecks in your business, the results that you're trying to achieve are able to happen in a shorter period of time. And you do not have to wait to hire more staff for the market to change, depend on these outside influences to make your business better. With the power of AI and automation, you can make that difference today. Now, the recruitment company in the Philippines, we're very, very happy, not only with our system, our automation, but how we structured the application. So most of these application forms, when you fill them out in a recruitment agency, it's a text box. What we've done is we've taken out the text and we've replaced it by the applicant answering the question by recording a video off their mobile phone, and then it gets uploaded into the system right away so that the recruitment staff can go through all the applications and watch the videos and immediately be able to see if the applicant is a good fit or not for that position. So that was one thing that stood out to this recruitment company, which is exactly the same response that we got from this recruitment company in Melbourne that we built this AI automation system for. So if you're a recruitment company or you work in recruitment, feel free to comment below and let me know what your problems are within your agency. Because chances are, if you haven't got the front end dialed in, the back end will not be much better.